Okay, so guys, I'm going to show you how to put your Mercedes-Benz from 2017 to 2020, I think. Should be the same, to put it into service mode to do the brake job. So this is my second time doing this. Hopefully I'll get it right the first time. You want to make sure you're on your trip screen all the way on the top where your mileage is showing. And then you want to make sure before you do this, your emergency brake has been released, parking brake. And what we're going to do is press the ignition switch for the first position. Once we get here, we're going to press the home for 2 seconds and then press OK. Alright, once we get here, as you can see, vehicle data, and then down there is brake pad replacement. So let's go down and you press OK. And as you can see, you can do that and it makes a sound where it's pushing it back to where it needs to be so you can do the brake job. And I'll try to upload another video once I get to taking the tire off and replacing the brakes.